Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello, my name is Josh and I'm with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. Today I'm going to show you my favorite mattress, and that's going to be the Tempur Pedic Pro Adapt Hybrid Medium. One thing that I actually do really love about this mattress is that it's a great mattress starter for that customer that wants to go memory foam. Every customer actually does complain going into a memory foam mattress that it obviously does sink into eternity as you lay into it, as it conforms to your body. The reason why this is actually a great mattress starter is you get best of both worlds. You have the memory foam on the top with the pocket springs in the bottom. So as you lay into it, the pocket springs are going to react to your body to where you're not sinking in forever, while also supporting your shoulders and your hips as well. It's also firm enough and soft enough to where it actually will support that side sleeper as well too, where the firm mattress will not. With that, stop by any of your local Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. This is our #1 seller in the company. Every store actually has this display. If you have any questions, please leave us any comment, and I'd appreciate it if you actually subscribe and leave us a like as well too.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.